Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Rizwan with you, and today we're gonna talk about a Cavalli branded villa, 7 bedrooms. The villa what you see behind me, it's 7 bedrooms with a maid rooms, with a driver room and a private cinema. If we talk about the garage parking, this villa is having a parking of 7 cars in the garage basement. If you have a 7 cars with you, 7 cars, luxury cars collection, you can park directly in your garage. Let's talk about the size of this villa. This villa is having the land area of 7,450 square feet and the built up area of 11,500 square feet. So let's go inside and check out the villa. So once we enter in the villa, here you are getting a massive wooden door with the double height ceiling and around the 3 meters of the marble. It's white marble. Let me tell you one thing, that it's G+2 structure, and the one room you are getting on the ground floor, then the other 4 rooms you are getting on the first floor, then the other 2 rooms you will be getting on the top floor, which is second floor. So let's get forward to your formal living and dining area. So from here, main door, once you enter, here you are getting your elegant and fully designed formal living area with the space of around 10 to 12 people. And in the full villa, the living areas, you will get the height of double ceiling. This is your formal living and dining area. Then after that, on the left side, you will be getting a personal living and dining area separately for your family with the kitchen. And one of the best thing is that this formal area, you can completely make it separate by just sliding these doors from your personal living and dining area, which is just next right to that. So let's get to that side. Here you are getting a family living and dining area. Look at the space. It's very spacious and beautifully designed. And there on the right side, you are getting an open style serving kitchen with the zebra countertops. Then next to this, you are getting your cooking kitchen with the everything equipped. It's coming with the 4 doors refrigerator, as you can see. Look at the wooden combination with the black zebra marble countertops and hatchbacks, and it's very spacious. And moving forward from your cooking kitchen to the next, here you are getting a small storage room attached with the maid's room and maid's room with the ensuite bathroom. Now let's go and check out the pool and your other garden side, which is on the next to this villa. Moving forward to the outside, here you are getting a very massive courtyard with the private swimming pool and with the separate kids pool with the pool deck. Here you are getting a separate pool deck, and here is the landscape. And then on the left side, you are getting your barbecue area. As you can see that there is a lot of space and the luxury vibe you are getting here in your courtyard. Here is the pool deck, and for your private pool, you are getting with the kids pool overlooking to the full golf course view and the fully garden kind of view. Then there is a separate gaming room attached with your courtyard. Here you can see it's coming with the ensuite full bathroom. You can use it a full game room or full kids room, whatever you want to do, you can do it. Now let's get back to the first floor to check the other 4 rooms. And in the full villa, you would be able a beautiful wall design which is made by the Roberto Cavalli. And moving next to that, you are getting a private elevator which goes from the basement all the way up to the second floor. But I will not use the elevator. So let's go from the stairs. So this is your first floor of the villa, where you are getting your other 4 bedrooms. Moving forward here on the first side, here you are getting your first master bedroom, which comes with all of the branded signature made by the Roberto Cavalli. You can look at the space, how spacious it is. On the back side of this, you are getting your huge wardrobes, dressing area and a beautiful bathroom. And in the bathroom, you are getting a standing rain shower, a separate bathtub and his and her sink. In the most of the part of this villa, you will be seeing a lot of the Roberto Cavalli signatures, as like this snake as they have given, and all of the wardrobes will be having the LED lights, and inside you can see there is a perfect theme of Roberto Cavalli which they have given to all of the bedrooms which is in this villa. As you can see that here is a drawer, private door. Again, it comes with the leather kind of touch and the theme of Roberto Cavalli. Moving next to this, attached with this master bedroom, you are getting a huge terrace overlooking to a beautiful swimming pool and a full golf course view, and the landscape, full garden view you will be getting from here. Now let's move forward to the other bedroom, which is on the left side. Here you are getting your second bedroom with the parquet style of tiles, and again with the built-in wardrobe. Every room has a separate theme of Roberto Cavalli. Here you can see it's black and white touch kind of theme you are getting here, and it comes with the ensuite bathroom with standing rain shower. And then if we will move forward to that, here we are getting another terrace. Now let's get to the other bedroom. Here you are getting your fourth bedroom, which is also with the ensuite bathroom. Again, it comes with the built-in wardrobes with a perfect theme of Roberto Cavalli, as you can see here in this signatures on the doors as well. And here you are getting ensuite bathroom with the standing shower and a private sink. You can see the height of bedrooms, which is around 3.5 meters. Floor to ceiling windows you would be able to get from here with the beautiful view of street facing to the road. And here a private balcony facing towards the main road. Let's move to the fifth bedroom, which is here on the left side. This is your fifth bedroom. Again, comes with the built-in wardrobes and the ensuite bathroom and a huge terrace next to this bedroom. You can see the size, it's very spacious. You are getting a king size bedroom. Let me tell you one more thing, that every bedroom has a different wallpaper designed by Roberto Cavalli. Let's get to the second floor, where I will be showing you the rest of the two bedrooms, which is amazing and completely two king size master bedroom. Let's go and check it out. You can see the flooring of the stairs is also coming with the completely marble, and look at the wooden touch that they have given to the overall walls of inside the villa. So let's get to the first bedroom. This is your sixth bedroom. You can make it as a kid's bedroom. It comes again with this ensuite bathroom and the standing shower. And now this room that I'm going to show you, this is for the king of the family who's gonna pay for this villa to buy that. So it's a king size master bedroom. You can see the space they have given here and a complete touch of Roberto Cavalli in the walls, in the designs and the hatchbacks of this bedroom. You are getting here a beautiful chandelier, and back to this you are getting a huge storage as a wardrobe, your private dressing area and the fully signatures and a black theme of Roberto Cavalli. And now let's move to your master bathroom, which again comes with the private wardrobes inside of the bathroom with the again design and the signatures and LEDs of Roberto Cavalli. And they have given a grey and the golden touch here in the design. A very elegant and beautiful bathtub, his and her sink and the standing shower as well. And again a huge terrace and the roof deck is attached with the master bedroom at the top floor, second floor, where you are getting a private deck for your family gatherings and functions. And it's giving a complete luxurious vibe as it's overlooking to the golf course. This is the right Trump golf course. You can enjoy the views from here, and on the left side here you are getting a view of swimming pool. Let's go to the basement floor to check the parking and the other facilities of this villa. Let's go and see the basement. So from here, once you enter in the basement floor, you are getting a private steam and sauna at this side, and it's a kind of lounge. You can make whatever you want to make it. There is a huge storage in this side. And there is another launch. It's made for your private kind of things. Then on the left side, you are getting your private cinema and you will be enjoying your favorite TV shows and movies in here. Let's go and check the parking now. Here you are getting a basement, 7 parkings for your private Pagani, Bugatti and whatever luxury cars you have. You will get the enough parking here. So let's talk about the price, payment plan and the procedure that how to buy these villas. There are 2 types of villas, 6 bedrooms, 7 bedrooms. 6 bedrooms, the prices are starting from 19 million with the size of 11,500 square feet. And on the other hand, 7 bedrooms villas, the price is starting from 29 million square feet with the size of 17,000 square feet. Payment plan is very flexible, 24%. You're gonna give the down payment and then 40% during construction and 40% on the handover. I'm gonna give my WhatsApp number on the screen. You can get in touch with me anytime if you are locally based. If you are internationally based, then you can feel free anytime to send me a WhatsApp. I will see you on the next video. Take care. Bye bye.